Grande Gusto 200 is a shelf-stable functional whey protein ingredient that could replace up to 50% of powdered cheese in dry mix applications, including cheese sauces, soups, and other dry mix formulations. It has superior water-holding properties and incorporates easily into existing production systems where high shear environments are common, and it's freeze-thaw stable. Our R&D team specifically formulated Gusto 200 to enhance the final texture in soups and sauces. Its natural stabilization properties minimize syneresis, resulting in a creamy and clingy mouthfeel, ideal for cheesy applications. Not only does all-natural Grande Gusto 200 improve viscosity, this clean label ingredient also improves nutrition, reducing sodium levels by as much as 10%. But that's not all. Because of its pH levels and mineral content, Gusto 200 actually brings out the salty and tangy dairy notes in an application, making it taste saltier than it really is. Flavor is enhanced with Gusto 200. Give our team a call today to learn more about Grande Gusto 200.